Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A57s. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app, tap Add a card, and focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Save and it's done. Next, let's go to gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. In the end, let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your passes will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.